Buenos dias! We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of dried cured ham produced in Spain. It is one of the most globally recognized food items of the Spanish cuisine that is regularly a component of tapas, of course. We are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Spanish pronunciation, jamón. You do want to stress on the second syllable, that's what the accent means on the O here. Jamón Serrano. You do want to insist on the A syllable here and roll the R's if you can, longer than if there was only one R. Jamón Serrano. It'd be fine in English or American to say Jamón Serrano. Jamón Serrano, or in Spanish, Jamón Serrano. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce all of the names of those delicious produce from Spain that we all love, all of those names that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. Hasta luego!